Went ahead and announced its Redmi 13 series in China earlier today. The series consists of three members: the Redmi Note 13, Note 13 Pro, and the top dog Note 13 Pro Plus. Starting with the design, Xiaomi went with a curved screen on the Pro Plus and a revised camera island with a vegan leather back on the purple color variant and AG frosted glass back on the white and black models. Note 13 Pro Plus will be the first IP68 rated Redmi phone. The curved 6.67-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. It has 12-bit colors and features a 1920 PWM dimming screen. It has a 1800 nits of peak brightness in auto mode and is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. It has an optical infrared fingerprint scanner and a 16 megapixel main camera. Xiaomi went with the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Xiaomi has also added 4000 millimeters square graphite sheet and VC heatsink. The back features Samsung's ISOCELL HP3 camera sensor. It's the same sensor used in last year's Redmi Note 12 Pro series. It has a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro. The software is covered by MIUI 14 based on Android 13, while the battery is at 5000 mAh and it features 120-watt fast charging. It also includes infrared port stereo speakers. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus starts at the price of $273 for the 12 to 56 GB variant, going up to $313 for the 16 512 GB variant, and the sale will start on September 26th.